जय श्री हनुमान।
Discuss about the multiplication of the matrix. Here we start with matrix. If a matrix of order m into n, another matrix B, order of this is n into p. Condition for multiplication of matrix is that column of first should be equal to row of the second. This is the first condition, and compulsory condition that number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of the second. We can say n equal to n. Then product of AB equal to m equal to p. M into p. M and p. That is the result of AB. Product of AB. Now I am taking an example, simple example. First, a matrix 1 3 2 0 1 5 2 1 6. Another matrix 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 1 0 5. Order of this is 3 into 3, and order of 3, this is also 3 into 3. So product of AB should be 3 into 3. Now multiply, for multiply, write an arrow in this type. Here upward, this is downward. Now multiply 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1. 1 into 1, 3 into 4 and 2 into 1. Row is same. Here 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0. In the next row is same. 1 into 3, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 5. This is the first row. Same rule for the second row. Now 0 into 1, 1 into 4 plus 5 into 1. Same row, and this is column. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 5 into 0. 0 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 5 into 5. Same method for the next. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 6 into 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 6 into 0. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 6 into 5. After that, simplify this. AB equal to solid 1 plus 12 plus 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0. 3 plus 6 plus 10. This is 0 plus 4 plus 5, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 5 25. This is 2 plus 4 plus 6, 4 plus 0 plus 0, 6 plus 2 plus 30. Now add all of this. This is 15, this is 2, and this is 19, this is 9, this is 0, this is 27. Next is 12, 4, and 38. Order of this is, we can see 3 into 3. So this is the product of A and B. A matrix 1 3 4 2 0 6. This is 2 into 3 matrix. And B matrix 2 1 1 3 2 5. Order of this is 3 into 2. We can say number of column of the first equal to number of row of the second. So we can multiply, and order of multiply should be equal to 2 into 2. Right here, arrow A downwards. AB. Order of this should be 2 into 2. So take 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Same row, column second, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 5. This is the first row. Same step for the next row, 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 6 into 2. Next is 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 6 into 5. Now solve it. AB equal to 2 plus 3 plus 8. This is 1 plus 9 plus 20. 4 plus 0 plus 12. 2 plus 0 plus 30. So answer of this is AB equal to, add this 13, 30, 16, and this is 32. We can say order of this is 2 into 2. This is your second examples. One more example. A 1 2 3. Order of this is 1 into 3. And a matrix B 1 0 3 2 1 4 4 0 1. Order of this is 3 into 3. We can say the number of column of the first equal to number of row of the second. So we can multiply, and product of AB equal to 1 into 3. इस फॉर्म में आना चाहिए इसका प्रोडक्ट. Now multiply, draw an arrow in this type. Right here 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. In this form, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. Next, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. We can say order of this is 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Now solve it. AB equal to 1 plus 4 plus 12. 0 plus 2 plus 0. 3 plus 8 plus 3. In the next step, AB equal to, this is 17, 2 and this is 14. Order of this is 1 into 3. So this is the product of AB.